Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did I start feeling so weak? Maybe it's not dramatic, but it's there. Little signs. Walking upstairs feels slower, lifting the groceries feels heavier, and getting up from a chair that takes more effort than it used to. It's not your fault. And no, you're not alone. Starting around age 50, our bodies begin to quietly step away from the muscles we've built over a lifetime. It's a natural part of aging. But here's the truth many people don't hear: enough muscle loss is not inevitable. And it's absolutely not irreversible. In fact, your body still wants to move to heal and to grow stronger even now. It just needs the right kind of support. And that's exactly what today's video is about. We're going to walk through 6 everyday foods, yes, just foods, no fads or pills, that have been shown to support muscle recovery, reduce soreness, and help you feel stronger in your 60s, 70s, even 80s. Some of these you may already have in your kitchen. Others might surprise you. But they all share one quiet superpower: they work with your body, not against it. Before we begin, I'd love for you to take a moment and leave a quick comment. How old are you, and what's one small thing you're doing to stay strong this year? Your answers help us create better videos for our wonderful senior community and might just inspire someone else today. Let's get started with something delicious and unexpectedly powerful. 1. Cherry juice. At first glance, cherry juice might just seem like a refreshing drink. But for adults over 60, it could be one of nature's most underrated muscle protectors. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds known for gently easing inflammation. And that matters because low-grade inflammation, which often increases with age, is one of the quiet reasons behind muscle soreness, joint stiffness, and slower recovery. A small glass of tart cherry juice each day may help ease that tension, especially after light activity like walking or gardening. And there's another gentle gift hidden in cherry's: melatonin, the natural hormone that supports restful sleep. Deep, uninterrupted sleep isn't just about rest. It's the time when your body does its most important healing, especially your muscles. A study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that older adults who drank tart cherry juice recovered muscle function 24% faster than those who didn't, proving it's more than just a tasty beverage. Many seniors who drink it regularly also report less morning stiffness, fewer aches, and better energy throughout the day. That means walking a bit farther, standing up with less effort, and feeling more confident doing the little things that matter. So, if you're looking for something simple, natural, and kind to your body, consider making cherry juice your new bedtime ritual. 1 glass may help you rest better, move easier, and feel stronger gently day by day. 2. Greek yogurt. Next on our list is something you may already have in your fridge, but might be overlooking: Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is carefully strained to remove excess liquid, giving it a rich, creamy texture and nearly twice the protein. And for older adults, that extra protein can make a big difference. Each serving provides around 15–20 grams of high-quality fuel for your muscles, especially rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that nourishes your body for hours even while you rest. Why does that matter? Because as we age, we naturally begin to lose muscle mass. But feeding your muscles with steady, digestible protein can help slow that decline, keeping you strong, stable, and more independent. In fact, research from the University of California found that seniors who included Greek yogurt in their daily meals saw up to a 15% increase in muscle strength within just 8 weeks, without any drastic changes to their routine. There's more. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that support digestion and help your body better absorb nutrients, especially calcium, magnesium, and the protein you're already working to get. Want to take it a step further? Try adding a spoonful of chia seeds or a handful of antioxidant-rich berries. It turns a simple cup of yogurt into a powerful muscle-supporting mini-meal. Whether it's breakfast, a midday snack, or a nighttime treat, Greek yogurt is a quiet but effective way to care for your strength, one spoonful at a time. 3. Starchy vegetables. When your energy feels like it's running low by mid-afternoon, the solution might be as simple as what's on your dinner plate. Starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, squash, and even regular potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, your body's preferred fuel for both movement and muscle repair. Unlike refined carbs that lead to energy crashes, these whole food carbs offer a steady, nourishing release of energy, helping you stay active and alert throughout the day. But that's just the beginning. These colorful veggies are rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, which support everything from muscle contraction and hydration to inflammation control and even heart health. As we age, these nutrients become essential allies in preserving not just movement, but comfort. Researchers at Harvard Medical School have noted that older adults who regularly include starchy vegetables in their diets tend to maintain muscle strength more effectively and report fewer declines in stamina over time compared to those consuming mostly processed carbs. Here's a simple way to enjoy them. Try roasting a few wedges of sweet potato with olive oil and rosemary. It's not just delicious, it's deeply nourishing. By swapping white bread or pasta for these vibrant vegetables, you're giving your muscles clean, lasting fuel, helping them work smarter, not harder, every single day. 4. Scallops. They may be small and delicate, but scallops carry a surprisingly powerful gift for aging bodies: strength from the sea. Scallops are rich in lean protein, the kind that's gentle on digestion and quickly put to work by your muscles for repair and recovery. But what truly sets them apart is their content of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to reduce inflammation and help preserve lean muscle tissue as we age. That's important because chronic low-grade inflammation, common in older adults, can quietly erode muscle over time, making daily tasks like walking, lifting, or even standing feel harder. Adding omega-3-rich foods like scallops to your plate can help your body rebuild instead of break down. In one study from Spain's Institute of Nutrition, older adults who consumed omega-3s consistently were able to retain up to 12% more muscle mass over time compared to those who didn't. That's a difference you don't just see, you feel it in every step. The best part, scallops are easy to cook and pair beautifully with roasted vegetables or leafy greens. Try pan-searing them in a bit of olive oil with lemon and garlic for a heart-healthy, muscle-supporting meal. Simple, elegant, and quietly powerful, just like you. 5. Buckwheat. It may not be as famous as oats or rice, but buckwheat quietly carries one of the most complete nutrition profiles among plant-based foods, and it's especially kind to aging muscles. Unlike most grains, buckwheat contains complete proteins, meaning it offers all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and preserve muscle mass. That's a big win, especially for older adults who are eating less meat or looking for gentler plant-based options. But buckwheat doesn't stop at protein. It's also rich in magnesium and zinc, two minerals that support muscle relaxation, repair, and immune function, key components in staying active and resilient. Need More Buckwheat provides a steady release of energy without the blood sugar crashes of processed carbs. That means more endurance for walking, exercising, or even just getting through the day without feeling drained. One study even showed that older adults who included buckwheat in their diets saw up to an 18% boost in muscle strength over 3 months. You can enjoy it in place of rice, toss it into salads, or try it as a warm breakfast bowl. However you prepare it, buckwheat proves that big support can come in very small packages. 6. Whey protein. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. And when it comes to protecting your muscles after 60 Whey, protein is about as straightforward and effective as it gets. Whey protein is a high-quality source of essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to maintain and rebuild muscle. What makes it especially valuable for older adults is its fast absorption. Your body puts it to work quickly, helping you recover faster after movement exercise or even household chores. You don't need to lift weights or hit the gym to benefit. Just adding a small scoop of whey protein to your morning smoothie or oatmeal can help slow muscle loss, improve strength, and even support a healthier metabolism. Even better, whey protein has been shown to preserve lean mass while reducing fat, support immune health, and contribute to better balance and energy levels. Think of it as a quiet daily ally, something you can do for yourself without fuss, without complexity, but with real results. Because staying strong shouldn't feel like hard work. With the right nourishment, it can feel natural, just like your strength once did. So there you have it, 6 natural everyday foods that speak directly to the needs of your body as it ages. We're not talking about magic fixes or expensive powders, just real nourishing options like a glass of cherry juice before bed, a spoonful of Greek yogurt in the morning, or a comforting dish of roasted sweet potatoes for dinner. Each one offers your muscles what they need to stay resilient, responsive, and ready for life. The beauty of these foods isn't just in their nutrition, it's in their gentleness. They don't demand drastic changes. They meet you where you are and offer quiet, powerful support for the life you still want to lead. Because strength at 60, 70, or 80 doesn't have to mean pushing harder, it can simply mean choosing smarter. If today's video gave you even one new idea, we'd be grateful if you shared it with someone you care about. A friend, a walking buddy, or maybe your son or daughter who's looking out for you. And if you haven't already, subscribe, leave a kind comment, and let us know. Which of these foods are you excited to try first? You deserve to feel strong. And we're here to walk with you one nourishing step at a time.